May from Feast Thailand, and today Feast Thailand is joining with local entrepreneur who owns Soap Me and founder of Soap Me here in Hua Hin to bring you a health and wellness Thai-style activity. But I'm going to introduce you to Khun Kim.
สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Kim from Soap Me.
So tell us a little bit about Soap Me.
Yeah, Soap Me is like the shop. We do mainly concentration on the natural product here. I make the soap from the natural thing, like the natural oil, and try to have as less chemical as possible.
Fantastic. Now you have one of the most beautiful shops here in Hua Hin. So tell us how this has all come about.
Yeah, it starts when I feel like when you're getting older and you have like the skin problem, and then I feel that maybe it's a time for me to go back to use the natural product and use it. So I start to making the soap and make sure that like I know every single thing inside there.
And Thai herbs and ingredients are so fantastic, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. They have many like ingredients and things that just help you with the skin, and of course with a good price as well.
Absolutely. So the health and wellness Thai style activity is one that takes you through learning about Thai ingredients and how they're used for the mind, body and skincare. And firstly, our Thai tour guides take you to a local market where you'll explore a lot of ingredients. Some you might know, but some you will not know, and what their benefits are for your body and how they're used. Then we come back and we see you know what we're cooking.
Yes, sure. After you arrive here, I will introduce you to the Thai herb that is good for your skin, and I will teach you how to blend it and benefit of each herb that you can use in skin. And actually it's very easy that you can find in the local market.
Yeah, I just think Thai ingredients, how they were traditionally used, are absolutely fantastic. So please contact us if you want to come onto this activity. We would love to see you. feastthailand.com will be your point of contact. Love to see you.